Uber Eats pays drivers on a weekly payout cycle, where all completed delivery earnings are grouped together and sent out automatically through direct deposit. That means you don't get paid after every delivery, and your income builds up inside the app until the payout process runs. By the end, you'll understand how the weekly payment cycle works, why your money sometimes takes longer to arrive, and what you can do if you want faster access to earnings. Uber Eats collects your delivery earnings inside the app as you complete orders. At the end of the payout cycle, the system bundles everything you earned and sends it to your linked bank account. Different regions and banks can affect how quickly that transfer shows up, which is why two drivers can see different timing, even under the same payout system. After Uber sends the payment, your bank still needs time to process the deposit. That processing step is outside of Uber's control, which is why delays can happen even when the app shows the payout has already been issued. Most drivers only see the money appear once both the Uber transfer and the bank processing step are complete. Uber also offers faster payout options like instant cash out in certain regions. This lets drivers move earnings to a debit card instead of waiting for the standard weekly transfer. But faster payouts can depend on account eligibility and the specific payout methods available in your area. Weekly payouts are designed to keep earnings organized, but they also create a delay compared to apps that pay instantly after each job. Understanding the two-step process helps you track where your money is at any moment, instead of assuming something is wrong when it's just processing. Check your payment settings in the Uber Driver app to see what payout options are available for your account. Uber Eats driver pay isn't random or delayed without reason. It follows a set cycle, plus bank processing time, plus optional faster payout tools. If you want more breakdowns like this on how delivery apps actually handle your money, subscribe and stick around.